There's no doubt that I'm a very tasty guy, but I'm not going to sacrifice myself for the food. Sorry.
We have a problem.
Yep, they got a leak.
We have a leak.
You killed one Zodiac. Yep, you fucked it.